Maybe you want to get really aggressive with your debt paydown, but you're just short on cash. The spirit is willing, but the paycheck is weak. Well, it really comes down to two options. You can spend less money or you can earn more. That's it. No magic bullet, just spend less or earn more. Or both. These two concepts are much more powerful when used together. Spend $500 less every month, and that's $500 you no longer need to earn. Win-win. And that actually raises an important point. Earning an extra $300 a month is awesome, but it won't help your debt pay down at all if you suddenly sign up for $300 worth of subscription boxes. Yeah, those gold-threaded leg warmers do look good on you, but they've also just negated the whole purpose of making more money. It's tempting to bump up your lifestyle when you bump up your income, but that's why it's so important to make sure you're honoring your budget and focusing on your priorities. If you're trying to make more money, maybe a short-term solution will work for you. What can you do to bring in more money right now? It has literally never been easier to sell your stuff, so look around your house to see what you can put out there. Maybe you find a temporary job or a side hustle. Not only will you be bringing in more income, but you'll be replacing time you could be spending money with time spent earning money. Two birds, one stone. Bear in mind though that the added stress from a side hustle can also prompt you to spend more. I had a friend who worked 4 jobs at once, but would then blow half his income on the weekend because he was so tired of working and just wanted to have some fun. And it was hard to blame him. Besides that, side hustles cost you precious time and energy, so make sure you're not shaving years off your life for an extra $250 a month. Now, any added work is going to bring some stress, but remember, this isn't going to be forever, just until you're out of debt, or you free up enough money to make an impact on your debt without an extra job. You could also try something more long-term. Maybe you can look into ways to improve your career. Obviously, that won't be a quick, easy fix, but this is as good a time as any to reassess and see how you can set yourself up for success in the future. But you know what? Maybe you're just maxed out. You feel like there's nothing you can do to put extra on debt right now. That's okay. Again, this isn't going to be forever. Focus on building those healthy financial habits and keep your eyes peeled for opportunities. It may be tough, but you'll get there.